Good morning, dear students. In last time we have discussed about the Coulomb's law and its vector form. Today, Coulomb's law and its vector form and principle of superposition. Today we are going to learn about the concept of electric field and electric field intensity. तो what do you mean by the word electric field? Field क्या होता है बेटा? जैसे gravitational field हो गया, okay? फिर solar field हो गया. The field मतलब a region around a charge or a system of charges. Okay, where its presence can be felt or experienced. Why this marker moves downward? Due to the presence of gravitational field. So you have seen that two similar force charges attract or repel each other. When you take this marker in the space and release, it will not move. You know that it is due to the absence of gravitational field at that place. So similarly, what is field? A region around a charge or a system of charges where its presence can be felt or experience, that is known as electric field. Okay, जो electric field बनाता है, the electric field which is produced by a charge is known as source charge, and charge which is used to determine the nature of electric field is known as test charge. So for example, suppose we are having a charge Q. This charge is used to produce a field, and this charge is known as source charge. So in the electric field of this, we are taking a small Q naught, and this small Q naught is known as test charge, and this Q naught tends to 0. Why it tends to 0? It is very small, so that it will not create its own field and disturb the another field. And the distance between Q and Q naught is given by R, and the direction is given by R caret. So very first thing, already we know what is the formula for the force. So we can say that Coulombian force acting between Q and Q naught. So formula for that force is F is equal to K Q into Q naught upon R square with the direction of R caret. Okay, so we know the formula. So when you divide this force by Q naught, we get one physical quantity KQ upon R square with the direction of R caret, and this quantity is represented by capital E, and it is known as electric field or electric field intensity. Same as gravitational field intensity you had studied in chapter gravitation. Gravitational force per unit mass, I. In the same way, Coulombian force acting per unit charge is known as electric field intensity. So you can say that force acting, or we can write electrostatic force. Force acting per unit test charge in an electric field is known as electric field intensity at that point. Okay, so simple. Again, the Q is known as the source charge which is used to produce the electric field. In this electric field, force acting on Q naught by Q is given by the formula F is equal to K Q naught upon R square with the direction of R caret. Then force divided by Q naught is KQ by R square. The direction of R caret is represented by E. This is known as electric field intensity. So electrostatic force acting per unit test charge in an electric field is known as electric field intensity at that point. So here the formula for the electric field intensity. So E becomes F by Q naught, or F is equal to Q naught into E. What is the unit of electric field intensity? Unit of E vector is Newton per Coulomb. और वोल्ट पर मीटर, आगे चल के आप पढ़ लोगे यहाँ पे. So you can also we are having the formula E is equal to kq by r square with the direction of r caret. So here we can say that E is directly proportional to Q and E is inversely proportional to r square. So it is directly proportional to the presence of source charge. More is the value of the source charge, strong is the electric field. So we can say that if we plot the graph E versus Q, we get a straight line. It is directly proportional, and for E versus R, it is decreases as 1 upon r square. For this is the plus, plus Q के लिए electric field is radially outward, Q greater than 0. For negative charge, electric field is radially inward. For किसके लिए? For Q greater than 0, electric field is radially outward, and for Q less than 0, for negative charge, electric field is radially inward. So once again, what is electric field? A region around a charge or system of charges where its presence can be felt or experienced. Electric field is produced by source charge but determined by the test charge. Test charge should be tends to 0, otherwise it will disturb the original electric field of a source charge. So here the Coulombian force acting on Q by Q naught by Q, so K Q Q naught, or we can also write force acting on Q naught by Q upon R square. Don't make any difference, but then also F upon Q naught K Q by R square with the direction of R caret is known as E, and E is known as electric field intensity. Unit of electric field intensity is Newton per Coulomb or volt per meter. These are the two very important formulas for force and for electric field intensity, and basically maximum number of cases we are using when charge and distance is given. So E is equal to kq by r square with the direction of r caret. When charge and force is given, E is equal to F by Q naught, or F is equal to Q naught into E. So here electric field is directly proportional to charge and inversely proportional to the square of the distance. For Q greater than 0, electric field is radially outward. For Q less than 0, electric field is radially inward. Here outward और here inward, बाहर निकलती हुई और नेगेटिव चार्ज के लिए अंदर आती हुई. ओके, प्लीज राइट डाउन दिस. Now continue with the next topic, that is electric dipole. So what is dipole? We already know that a magnet which is having north south, two poles. Earth is also having north and south pole. Okay, Earth is also a dipole, bar magnet is also dipole. Here a system of positive and negative charges separated by finite distance is also known as electric dipole. So what is electric dipole? A system of two equal and opposite charges separated by the finite distance, minus q and plus q. Two opposite charges separated by a distance of 2a. It is a finite distance, then it is known as electric dipole. And what is dipole moment? The product of magnitude of either charge, कोई भी, minus q plus q, magnitude. The product of magnitude of either charge and distance between them is known as dipole moment. So remember the formula for the dipole moment, P is equal to q into 2a. Negative का magnitude और positive का magnitude. Here only we have to consider magnitude, and 2a is the distance between the two charges. So dipole moment P is equal to q into 2a. Unit of dipole moment. Here q is charge, it is in coulomb, and 2a is the distance. So coulomb meter is a unit of electric dipole moment, and dimensionally m0 L1 T1 A1. Okay, it is a vector physical quantity and its direction is from minus q2 plus q. It is a vector physical quantity along minus q2 plus q. Total charge on the dipole is 0, because total charge minus q plus q is 0, but the electric field which is produced by the electric dipole is not 0 at any point. Only at infinity the electric field due to electric dipole becomes 0. Neither on negative charge nor positive charge in between the two charges electric field is not zero. So what is electric dipole? A system of two equal and opposite charges separated by the finite distance, minus q plus q 2a. Dipole moment, the product of magnitude of the either charge and distance between them, is known as dipole moment. Total charge on the dipole is 0, but electric field is not 0. Unit of electric dipole is coulomb into meter, and it is a vector physical quantity whose direction is given by minus q2 plus q. Okay, now you can able to understand the electric field and electric field intensity. The formula, remember the formula of electric field and electric field intensity in terms of charge and force, as well as the formula for dipole moment. Have a good day. Thank you.